Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a sweet Majorette 5-pack to unbox for you. A brand new one that I picked up from Barnes & Noble. Mercedes AMG set. This thing is sweet, guys. There is your exclusive for the set right there. The CLE in a neon lime green yellow color. But check this out. Matte black AMG A3. We've got the GLC 63 SUV, the blue AMG SL63 convertible. We got the CLE here in the neon yellow, and then check out that AMG GT63 in white. That one is looking good. That might be my favorite of the set. That one or that one. But we're gonna crack these open here. We'll put each of these cars on the turntable and show you what they look like. All right, let's crack this guy open here. That might be the only tape that we need to crack on this one. Isn't that interesting? Showing you how to try and get these unhooked. A new mechanism for holding them down, guys. The last one of these I did, it was still the rubber bands, which were annoying to get off. So let's go ahead and start off with this guy here, and we'll get it off. We'll see how these work. Push. Oh, look how much easier that is. So they have the new bottoms on all these things, and that is exactly what that is. It's the little cutout there. You could probably even make them stand up on. Not really. Guess not, but it was a nice thought. But let's take a look at this one to start off, guys. This one, we'll have that out there, is the A3 hatchback model. Looking super good in the matte black. Really digging that one. And it does have an opening hatch. Check that out. The hatch opens on that one. Definitely a cool casting, guys. Wheels are looking pretty good as well on that one. Digging it. All right, let's go on to the CLE. Take a look at this guy. So this one has the same wheels. I wonder if they all have the same wheels. It kind of looks like they probably do, just different shades. Look at the grill on that. That neon just pops. I like it a lot. And this one has the opening doors instead of the hatch. I don't know if any of them have the opening hood. They should have the opening hood on these guys. Super cool. I'll show you on this side as well. Yeah, nice detail on these. I'm digging it. Now, let's check this one out, guys. The GT63 in white, guys. Looking good. It's got the pop-up wing. It's a plastic wing. Yeah, I really like that one with the black top. That is a good looking car, guys. Let's check out the SUV here. So this is the GLC 63, the AMG SUV. Looks like another. So the SUVs slash hatchbacks get the opening hatch. See if we can get that one to come open. Ooh, that one's a toughie. We got it open though. Nothing too cool showing off in the back. Probably the worst color out of this one. I do not dig the orange. Look at that wheel. It's all crushed up in there. It does have a nice little turbo graphic on the side there. Can't see what that other part says. It's too tiny. Can you read it? Oh, I can't. But I see where it says turbo. That just popped right back out though, so that's good. Yeah, not bad for a little SUV. And the last one, guys. The SL63 convertible. Ooh, it does come off. Check that out. Oh. I don't know if it comes all the way off or not. Yes, it does. Check that out. Removable top. I think this might be a double one, guys. Need to get my pick tool here. Hang on. Let's see if the hood does open. It looks like it does to me, but maybe not. Maybe not. Nope, I don't think it... Oh, yeah, I think it's trying to. Oh, it does. It does open. Check it out. The only one with the opening hood. Not very fancy for details on the Majorette under hood. The moving parts Matchbox have this beat for sure. But that is cool that has the top that comes off and the opening hood on that one. Looking good in the blue. Black wheels. Let's put the top back on. Just like that. This stays on pretty tight unless you want it to come off and it just snaps off. All right. So there they are, all 6 of them from the AMG set. I'm going to go ahead and put each one up on the turntable for you here for the ending. But if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next Hot Wheel Hunt video coming out next week, and we'll have some more unboxings coming out soon. Have a good one.